Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone, from the sunny and gorgeous Benidorm town. We'll be checking on 3 different areas: the famous British side, the Levante Beach, and the traditional city center to show you what the atmosphere is looking like on St. Patrick's in Benidorm. Let's go. Quite a big celebration in Benidorm town that not only Irish to celebrate, I must say. This is a special day when a lot of people go out to the streets, put something green as well as we did today, as you could have seen already, and enjoy some nice music, shows, special entertainment for St. Patrick's Day. A lot of hotels and bars prepare special program for that particular day. For example, the Flash Tavern has an open charcoal grill where they'll be doing some burgers, maybe sausages, some meat to enjoy while people are celebrating. Flash Hotel is probably the one that has the biggest amount of people from early morning. This is an authentic tradition already. And for St. Patrick's Day, they do have a special program, which you can see here on the right side. They have live music and entertainment with prizes and lots of St. Patrick's Day fun, as they say. Batucada, John the Fiddler, Whiskey on the Rocks, Hike, Performance, Time Warp, Veracruz. Ooh, popcorn party and surprise show in the evening. That's actually very nice. All the bar, all the area is crowded, packed with people. That's absolutely insane what we have here today. There is a live performance right now, so we'll try our best to film it as much as we can, but obviously due to the copyright, it's not always possible. Even so, this is the atmosphere that you can see today on Sunday, St. Patrick's Day in Benidorm. A lot of people enjoying some drinks, getting some cocktails. There's happy hour, there's special prices as well. And others just are standing because there's no free table at all to enjoy the performers here in the Flash Hotel. This is probably the places that celebrates the St. Patrick's Day the best here in Benidorm. People know it, people love it, and this is why it's going to be probably the busiest you will see here in Benidorm town. I love the entertainment here. They're so energetic. They do sing quite a lot. People sing along. This is the atmosphere that we do like to see in our city. And wow, there's more and more people coming each time. It's only 11:30 in the morning right now. Imagine what's going to be happening by midday or afternoon or evening time. This will be bizarre. Even so, extremely busy. Even right now, early in the morning. Take into consideration it's Sunday, so all those who went out on Saturday probably are sleeping still. Others enjoy this very special day in Benidorm. Let's get slightly further and see what's going on in other places. Mexicans? Okay, all right, Mexicans. Does it have something to do, just a costume probably, maybe, I don't know, but it's strange to see Mexicans. It's like a fancy dress party during St. Patrick's Day. Here we have the terrace of the lovely Calypso Hotel. We filmed it as well. Lovely. The live entertainment too. Hi, people are saying hi. People are waving, having some lovely drinks. Water, snacks, refreshing drinks, cocktails. Nicely decorated for St. Patrick's Day too. Hi. Ooh, some nice costumes. Authentic St. Patrick's Days ones. A lovely entertainment too. Full terrace. These tend to be some of the busiest places here around the British street. The weather is amazing, by the way. It's even warmer than it was yesterday, and it's still morning time. Today and tomorrow will be the warmest days, and tomorrow probably is when we can finally say, okay, all right, it's summer weather already. It's too much. So be careful, bring sunscreen, bring water bottles with you, maybe some sun hats, something that you have. Reuse the St. Patrick's Day hats and headwear, whatever you have, sunglasses. And Be careful because the sun will be really aggressive already by now. Uncle Pet's here in front of us. Lovely day today, also quite busy. There is some music, not as loud as in Flash Hotel or the Calypso one, but still it's getting quite busy. This is a very popular bar here in the Rincon de Loix, the Levante side, better to say, and obviously Morgan Tavern. 17th March, happy St. Patrick's Day. This is all with the help of Morgan Tavern. They did prepare everything. It's opening up slowly, so it's not too busy just yet, but it will be busy by today's evening. Here we have the Last Stop Sports Bar, quite busy already today. Almost all these bars have at least some green touch to them. Waikiki Bar also put some balloons, but this year it's not as much as last year. And it's still opening up, but the place that is busy, obviously, is the famous Western Saloon. This is what is open right now, and look at how many people enjoy the sunshine on their terrace. They always put some nice St. Patrick's Day decorations, colorful touch to the terrace that just makes a difference, which is why a lot of people are coming here. It's a tradition already, at least once visit this place. A lot of lovely colorful flags and another poster saying St. Patrick's Day. I do feel that Morgan Tavern did play a big role into investing in this celebration, because they've even put some flags. Happy St. Patrick's Day. This is the first time I see them right here on the corner. And then there's Western Saloon as well. Some advertisement. Obviously, all these most popular bars do collaborate in the decoration overall of this area, because that's profitable for them. That's a good advertisement and publicity for them too. The Crown Pub, also nice decorations. Quite a lot of people saying Happy St. Patrick's. They have all the program on it. There's some offers. There's even special cocktails that a lot of these places do that are green to celebrate this day. Let's head to the Levante Beach from here and see what's the atmosphere looking like by the seashore. We're here magically right by the Levante Beach on the Mediterranean Avenue, and we're heading to see what the atmosphere is like in some of the most popular Levante Beach bars. Quite a lot of people are heading to the beach. Obviously, it's sunny, it's so nice, it's so warm. Why not to celebrate St. Patrick's Day by the seashore with the sound of waves and some nice music and great holiday atmosphere, which is why a lot of people will be doing by now. A lot of these places are just opening up, obviously after yesterday, because it was Saturday and a lot of them kept their doors open up until later night hours. On the Levante Beach, we have a lot of popular places like Tiki Beach, we have the Cayman bars, and much more. This one, brand new one, Miller's Beach, Sin City, also an interesting place, becoming quite popular for drinks, cocktails, and some light snacks. And the Banana looks quite empty still, but it's too early. Probably later in the day, there's going to be a lot of people here. Obviously, the one that is always busy, the one that every single celebration has all the tables occupied, is this place right here, the famous Tiki. There are a couple of them. This one is the Tiki Beach, and it's always very busy. Here we have people enjoying their holidays with St. Patrick hats, with anything green that they've had or they've purchased. Others who don't have anything green but still are enjoying this festive day. Benidorm combines these days different celebrations, the traditional fallas plus the St. Patrick's Day. And on Tuesday we have the Father's Day and All Saints Day too. So it's quite a lot going on these days. We couldn't be happier for the area. All this is great for business, it's good for workplaces and for tourists as well, because it's an amazing atmosphere that you will be seeing here in Benidorm. The Cayman Beach Terrace also looking full today. My goodness, just look at this. Cayman Beach and the Tiki Beach. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. The atmosphere, I just hope this video can pass all the atmosphere we feel right now. Cayman Beach has another one on the Mediterranean Avenue. They've opened Cayman Baby. So this is the Cayman Beach restaurant and cocktail place. They do have some nice affordable prices still. And this is the overall atmosphere on the beach. We do see people that have just random clothing on, but then every now and then we do have someone who either by absolute chance without knowing it or on purpose did put something green on themselves. Obviously Spanish not, unless they like to celebrate this festivity or have someone who does celebrate it inside of the family. Now let's go to the city center. While we were walking to the city center, we were stopped by this right in the middle of the Mediterranean Avenue. Without no traffic stopped, the damas are making their appearance. You know that it's Fallas in Benidorm. We've showed you yesterday's video that was incredible, full of colorful monuments that do expose. Someone did say us, this video does not expose anything. It's not the video who's exposing Benidorm's issues as itself. It's not me. It's these statues, the Benidorm Fallas expose the issues of a Benidorm because they do put all the text and they do show all the issues we have. In the city center, right next to the famous techno hit, the Madeira Central Hotel, right on the triangular square, the atmosphere looks very, very different from what we've seen in the other parts of the city. Looks mostly normal, a lot of people just walking, probably someone there on the terrace wearing something green. But apart from that, here in the city center, it looks like nothing is happening, with an exception of a couple of people wearing green every now and then. But if we would know it's St. Patrick's Day, if we would be here, probably we wouldn't even notice there is a celebration in town. Some people enjoying their first morning coffee wearing St. Patrick's uniform, St. Patrick's Day uniform, something green, something colorful, something for a celebration, and that's it. Just teeny tiny touches every now and then, but we wouldn't even know there's a big celebration happening in the British side of Benidorm. From here, let's head towards the beach, towards the end of the beach. That is where we have some more international bars that we do actually enjoy, and we'll see what the atmosphere is looking like there, because here so far, typical, usual, normal day in Benidorm, nothing special in the city center. Let's head slightly closer and we will see what is going on. Make your bets. Do you think right here by the beach towards the old town, people are celebrating St. Patrick's Day, or is it only the thing of the British area here in Benidorm town? By the British area, I mean that it's not only of the British, I mean that it's an international zone where we have a lot of English-speaking tourists and residents too. Why not? So we'll see what the beach in this side of Benidorm is looking like. I'm quite sure that Poniente Beach will be way less. There's way less international tourism. Maybe in some particular bars, international bars, there will be, but not too much. Ooh, look at this. La Caña. The Caña, which is like a small beer glass, costs €1 in some of these places. Where else would you find prices like this? By the way, shortly here on the channel, we will do another video about a Chinese place, Asian place this time. We will be visiting the Bamboo restaurant in Rincon de Luch. If you would like to see it, thumbs up, write us a comment, and surely you'll see it here on the channel. The Tiki, another Tiki, that's why I say there are several of them. This is the Tiki Pizza, which is like a terrace for snacks, etc. And obviously there's the other part of it, which is Tiki Town, Benidorm. The terraces are full. I do see some green cocktails that people are drinking. Maybe it's like a green sangria, green beer, or something specific, because these are too green to be something usual to serve. Probably it's something special they're prepared for this particular day. And then right in front of us, we do have some of the bars that have lovely decorations for St. Patrick's Day right by the beach. Here is where we have night lounges, like night pubs, nightclubs. One of them is the Cool Lounge, and this is the other. There is the Guinness bar. Quite busy. Every single spot is full. Oh, they have special program for today too. Special occasions, special beers, different types of offers. That's actually really much appreciated. It's a special day, so people love discounts. People love special offers on their drinks, especially with how the prices came out lately everywhere in the world. And the Cool Lounge is also really busy. Mostly on the outside, because people love the sunshine. I mean, who wouldn't? When we have the shocking 23 degrees right now, 23 on the sunshine, it's almost 25, and people are enjoying themselves, which is something that we are doing too, even though we live here and we're used to the sunshine. This is the overall atmosphere that we have here on the Levante Beach today. You've seen 3 different areas. Supermarkets are still selling a lot of St. Patrick's themed things. Everything green that they have, even small touches of green, is being sold right now. The Penelope, the Cool nightclub too are not too busy just yet. They will be at night when they'll be having the St. Patrick's Day party. So this is the atmosphere that is going on right on midday, 12 in the morning, or midday, depends how you look at it, in Benidorm. Really busy, great atmosphere in different parts, and 3 of the main areas you were able to explore with us today for the St. Patrick's Day. The beach couldn't be busier either. There's a lot of movement. People are enjoying the sunshine, and the smell of sunscreen is filling up the front line of the beach. This is how St. Patrick's Day is celebrated in Benidorm town. We've seen 3 different areas today. We've seen the main one, the British Street, aka the Gerona Street, at Rincon de Loix. We did see the beginning of the Levante Beach, where some of the famous bars are located, and obviously the last bit is right here towards the city center, and a part of the beach where also a lot of international bars are situated. A lot of movement. We have fallas, we have St. Patrick's Day, so Benidorm is full of celebration and people. Feels like summer right now, doesn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Even if you're not here, by watching it, I do hope that for some seconds you thought you are actually in the sunny Benidorm. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. We wish you a lovely day, and we'll see you in a new video tomorrow. Bye, dears.